Rodriguez, 22 News.
A public hearing today in Boston regarding the state drug testing lab scandal. 22 News State House reporter Christine Lee live at the State House to tell us how the scandal has created a mess in the criminal justice system.
The actions of a single chemist will cost the state millions of dollars. It's created a backlog in drug testing and has led to the release of nearly 200 inmates.
How can the public have confidence in the doings of the other 17 drug labs and in the Department of Public Health in general?
Lawmakers want to know why the Hinton State Drug Lab was allowed to operate in spite of serious lapses in oversight, outdated operating procedures, no independent accreditation, and lack of supervision over Annie Ducan, a chemist who is accused of mishandling about 60,000 drug samples, compromising more than 30,000 criminal cases.
As a result of these failures, the Hinton Lab Director, Division Director, and Annie Ducan's former direct supervisor are no longer in their jobs.
The drug lab was shut down, contributing to a backlog of drug samples from more than 10,000 cases in need of testing. State officials are requesting nearly $3.5 million to meet the demand for testing.
These funds would allow the lab to hire much-needed personnel in order to address the backlog, as well as to address a number of other shortfalls relative to equipment needs.
195 people have been released from prison because of the tainted drug samples. Many of them will be supervised as their cases are put on hold. Annie Ducan once listed on her resume that she worked at an Amherst lab, but state officials clarified that she has no connection with the state-owned lab in Amherst. Live in Boston, Christine Lee, 22 News.